What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error code on Google Chrome. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first way to fix it is go to your search bar and type in CMD until you see command prompt pop up. Right click into it and run as administrator. In here we're going to run two commands. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Once you do this, it's going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next one is netsh winsock reset, which is going to successfully reset the winsock catalog. Restart your computer now and see if the error fixes itself. If not, we're going to move on to step 2, which is go back to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. In here, right click into either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whatever you're connected into. I'm connected via Ethernet, so if you're connected via Wi-Fi, click into that and then go to properties. Then click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click into properties. Change it from automatic, because this is what yours is going to be on, to use the following DNS server addresses, and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, turn Chrome back on, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.